Hello everyone, long time no see, but finally the next update of the ocean water and swim system is here, and it now fully supports replication and multiplayer. So if I go over here and simulate number of players 2 and set to play as a client, let's test this out how it looks. So I have here the client window. Let me just go over here and tab so we can see what is going on. And as you can see, the movement is replicated. The swimming is replicated. I can swim faster. All right. The physics is replicated, so I can push everything over here. And also, if I go underwater, let's swim underwater like that. And if I die, you can see that the ragdoll is also replicated. Let me just go over here. So everything right now works in replication, means that the water system and the ocean system is fully supporting multiplayer. And if we go, let's say, over here and to this river, and let's hit play. I'm just gonna move the character over here to stay and observe. I'm just gonna play with the second window, so you can see how accurate everything it is. We just go up. Let's jump into the... You can see the splashes from the character. Let me just do it a little bit near to this one. You can see the particles, everything is synced and working. So right now, if you want this for your multiplayer game, you can grab it through Fab or support me on Patreon. But this is the first version of the multiplayer, so I expect to be some kind of fixes that we need to make, but I'm pretty sure that it's working great. And with updating the versions of the water and ocean system, we're gonna explore more and we're gonna improve a lot more the system. But right now, as you can see, everything is working. The next thing that I want to show you is that we've completely redesigned the ocean system. Previously, we've connected Niagara with it, but Niagara cannot work with multiplayer, at least we didn't manage to do it. And how we did it is completely redesign the algorithm, and right now it is simulated on the GPU side of your computer. And if you hit here in the display waves in editor, you can see only the height of the waves. You're no longer seeing the actual simulation. But if we go down there in the menu, we have wave magnitude. And from wave magnitude, you just control how the waves will react, how hard the waves you want to be, how big the waves you want to be. So if I put, let's say, 0.4 of it, I'm gonna have waves like this. So I'm just gonna stop simulating the multiplayer. I'm just gonna hit play, and right now everything is simulated over here. And this is a GPU simulation, which means that the FPS is brutally nice over here, and the ocean still looks pretty good. If we go to the shoreline and let me play it, the shoreline is working, the wet sand is working, the waves are working, and everything looks great. All right. So, and if I simulate multiplayer over here as client, and let me just play it again. Let's go over here. Let's put my character here and let's observe this one. You can see that the multiplayer is working. I can swim. Let me swim in front of this character. So also the ocean is working. Here we have some, movement in the waves, but multiplayer is also working for the ocean. And the other thing that I want to show you is the IVS ocean exclusion. So if we use the ocean exclusion over here, you have the default should mask surface, which means that we're gonna mask around the exclusion zone to have water effect. All right. So if I go and start playing here, previously this was not available. You can see that we are excluding, and you have some walls over here that's looking like the water, and the water is simulating at the surface. So if you want to create, like, let's say, some structures below the water, right now everything looks good. Previously it was not looking through the through the water, etc. You also have the reflection here in the water. And if I go, I start swimming. If I get out of the exclusion zone, you see the water dripping from my body and having this nice water effect. So right now you're completely free to create anything that needs exclusion zones. So yeah guys, this is the new update of the water, ocean and swim system, now supporting multiplayer, fixed exclusion zones, and completely redesigned the ocean algorithm. So if you want to grab it, the interactive water and ocean system is available on my Fab page, which is in the description of this video. Or just go to the Patreon, get the premium supporter tier and get the latest update of the interactive water and swim system. This was a pretty quick update of how the interactive water, swim and ocean system is shaping up. Keep in mind that with each update we will improve it a step further, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys for watching, see ya in the next video.